And now it's time for Storytime here on BBC Two with your host Brian Bird and the story of Lamby the Lamb.
Time.
Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Storytime. I'm Brian Bird, and today I will be telling you the story of Lamby the Brave Lamb. Let us start. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a brave little lamb called Lamby the Lamb. Lamby was a good little lamb. Every week he would give half of his wool to the little boy down the lane and the other half to the capitalist old woman who lived in the big mansion and owned all of the land. One day, Lamby was very bored. He did not know what to do, so he decided he would go for an adventure. Lamby walked a long, long way, along all of the fields and along the safe paths. He was very happy, but as he walked near a mountain, he noticed a shadow in the sky. He looked at the shadow but could not make it out. As the shadow got closer, Lamby thought, I wonder if that's my friend, Mr. Pigeon. But it wasn't. It was a fucking bearded vulture! And what did it get now? They fucking grabbed Lamby and it slammed him on the fucking floor! And Lamby was like, ah! Ah! And then the bearded vulture flew off with him and he took him back to his nest and fed into his kids, tearing and rending his flesh off! There was nothing left of Lamby and he screamed in pain, being torn apart by this vulture! And then, when Lamby was finally dead, the vultures dropped the corpse on rocks to break the damn bones! And then they ate him! They ate him all up! All of it was eaten! And that is the tale of Lamby the Lamb, who was very brave and met a bearded vulture. This has been Storytime. See you next time, kiddies! Bye! Is that done now? Can I get pissed now? Oi, where's the closest bloody strongbow? Bastards!